Hey guys, it's Tony. I'm on the treadmill again, but if you guys like my content, you know, if you're watching me on TikTok, tap the screen like 5 times to give me a super like, or if you're watching me on YouTube, you know, smash the like button so all my videos get pushed out, you know, through the algorithm, and other people can see me in my videos too and stuff. So I mean, if you like my stuff, great. If you don't, you know, enjoy the video. I'm really only doing a position update still, holding about 600,000 doggy. I'm up about 20k right now. Well, actually like 19,000. But we have been holding steady on this 5 cent mark. And with the news that that Elon Musk put on his Twitter about the poll, you know, we think that DogeCoin should be the next world currency, and he basically bet that against, you know, every single other cryptocurrency, which is insane because the fact is he's separating DogeCoin from everything else, which is a huge catalyst right now. And there's also a rumor that DogeCoin might show up in the Super Bowl somehow. I don't know how. I don't know what can possibly happen, but you guys already know on my position, this is either going to zero or it's moonshotting. I'm never selling, never taking profits. I already told you guys, it's either going to zero or it's making me like a fucking millionaire, dude. We'll see what happens, all right? But just updating you guys. I'll see you later.